It's my joy today to take you to Lot 3, 59 Wilson Road, Tamborine Mountain. 5 acres where you can build your home and grow your vegetables and fruit trees to your heart's content. If you've dreamed on living at the countryside, surrounded by fruit trees, your own vegetables, animals, then this might be the block for you. What an amazing place to build your northeast facing dream home. Surrounded by your animals, vegetables, fruit trees, you have a magnificent bore and it's just waiting to be developed. Have a look at the land. Now those power lines you see will disappear because all the power will be underground.